NVTS stock analysis. This is predictions for Monday. Is Navitas Semiconductor stock a buy? I'm breaking all this down in this very brief and short 1-minute video. And as the only guy in the space with an actual track record of 43,000 videos, over 5 years of experience, all documented. No one else has documented what's working for them, actually showing you. Now, with NVTS, it's been bullish. Like, it began when it was $5. My aim was 7.5, and that turned out to be great. Turned out to be phenomenal. And since then, we also got this long side here. But the case here is that we gapped up, you know. I cut it out beforehand, and that was all good. But then when it opened, it just sort of gapped up. And if I look at the current price action NVTS, how this looks like is if I see like a double break today, going in a 5 minute or even like 1 minute, I'll prefer 5. Then and only then I'm actually buying here. Right? Other than that, it's all pure noise. Pre-market is a bit higher, but they can regulate. If you want to stay tuned and get my money making emails and insights for free, click the first link in the description. See you in the next one.